look what I have inside the shop finally. I've been waiting 7 years for this moment when I could get this thing back inside of a shop space and work on it. And also work on making the plans for it. So I'm super excited about this. I've been working on getting my shop space set up. I've finally got this set up to this point. I moved a bunch of stuff. We used to have, this whole area used to be solid with storage. But we finally got these pallet racks set up there. So all the storage stuff almost is up there. So there's still more to put away, like the stuff on there and the stuff on that table, but I was bound and determined to get the log splitter in the shop by the end of this week. Praise God, this is the last day of this week, so it's finally happened. All this stuff still needs to find a place, but mostly a lot of it is just empty boxes that need to be like stashed away. A lot of this is tools, like various boxes of tools that I've used for this and that project that I just need to simply put away. That rolling tool workbench, I got that for the express purpose of being able to have a rolling desk in a shop space with a laptop on it so I could make plans right next to the thing I was building. And that's finally coming to happen today. I've had that thing for probably 13, 14 years. Maybe not quite that long, 12 years probably. And it's finally coming to be what I actually meant it to be. So really excited, plans coming soon. This is the end of May. In just over 1 month, we're gonna be, Lord willing, and the creek don't rise, we're gonna be in North Idaho, back at the Coeur d'Alene, Kootenai County Fairgrounds, where I actually entered this, had this thing displayed, and I was demonstrating it at the North Idaho State Fair. What, 2019, I think? It's gonna be back there. I'm gonna be selling plans for it finally, alongside our seed company. We're gonna be splitting a booth between both these things. So, super excited about that. Look forward to seeing you there, and I'm looking forward, really looking forward to getting to work on this thing.